This is 2 Minute Toots, where we show you a digital fashion tip in 2 minutes or less.
If you've ever gone to a manufacturer to get a garment made, the first thing they'll usually ask you for is a tech pack. And even if you plan to work for a brand, one of the qualifications will most likely be knowing how to do a tech pack. Just this week, I had someone hit me up and ask if I knew some people I could recommend for an assistant designer position in kids wear. I told her most of the designers I knew that would qualify did not have the background in children's wear. Her response was that she was okay with that as long as they could do tech packs and cats. So yeah, pretty important skill. And why do you need this? Whether you're an indie designer or working for an established brand, a tech pack should show all the details of a design, provide a blueprint for the manufacturer to make accurate samples, and provide all the necessary information to get accurate costing on your garment so you can price it accurately and actually make money on your garment versus not making any money on your garment because you didn't know how much it was really costing you. 383 Design Studio, my company, just released an online course for creating a tech pack, and it will show you all of the necessary elements of a complete tech pack and, even more importantly, how to get that information. But even if you don't take my class, if you're a designer and don't know how to create a tech pack, make sure you find someone who will show you. Thanks for watching today's video. If you are new to creating tech packs and you need to really understand how to create a great one, make sure you check out the link in the description to take my online course, Creating a Fashion Tech Pack. And right now through April 3rd, 2022, you can get the course at a discounted rate. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video if you find it helpful. Have a fantastic week, and I'll see you next time.